This is the main street. KLOK's been here for 2.5 years almost. It's at the top of Casa Marina Beach, which is down here. If you know the area, that's Casa Marina there. Spanky's is down there with Sosúa by the Sea. The old new Marriott goes for as much as $4,000 a night. This is KLOK here, business only, but on a good street with good margins. It's for sale for $50,000 American, and she's right now. Last year she did some serious numbers with a good margin. So some decent traffic here. Canadian owned, North American menu, daily specials, and great margins, which means profit. Check it out. I'll have a new video soon. KLOK, Uptown.